Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all will be fine and safe. Okay, today I will start chapter number 5 of your book, that is ratio, right? So, what is ratio? Ratio is basically a comparison of two or more quantities. Comparison of two or more quantities. And the symbol of the ratio is this, these two dots you can see. These are read as ratio. These two dots represent ratio. And what is ratio? Ratio is simply comparison of two or more quantities. When we have to compare two or more quantities, we use the concept of ratio, right? So, in my first question, I have to simplify the following ratios. You can see question number 1, that is 4 ratio 8. How you will read it? 4 ratio 8, right? So, how we simplify them? Simplification mean you will check what is the common factor of these two numbers. Common factor of these two numbers mean on which table you can divide both numbers, as it's very clear that both are even number, so they are easily divisible on table of 2. Divided by 2 mean I am going to cut them on the table of 2. I will write um, like this, divided by 2. Now you can check 2 is how many time 4. 2 time 4 ratio. 2 is how many time 8. 2 4 time 8. Right? Mean it's simply as you have studied in fraction, 4 ratio 8. You can say that ratio is simply division, simply a fraction. 4 ratio 8 mean 4 by 8, and you have studied like this, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So this concept is just like fraction as you have studied before. So you have cut them on the table of 2. 2 time 4 ratio 2 4 time 8. Now you can see that again these two numbers are divisible on 2. Again these two numbers are divisible on 2. 2 1 time 2 ratio 2 2 time 4. Your answer is 1 ratio 2, like this. Clear? Mean fraction simply mean division or a ratio. So simplification mean you will cut them on the same table and you have to continue your process until more division is not possible. Now you can see 1 ratio 2, they can't be cut on the same table anymore. So you will stop your answer here and your answer is 1 ratio 2. Is it clear? Similarly, you can see on next question, question number 2, that is 12 ratio 48. I have told you in LCM and HCF, if you have remember, that you have to check the ones place. If the ones place are the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It means these numbers are divisible by 2. So 12 and 48, these two numbers are divisible by 2. I am going to cut them on the table of 2. So 2 is how many time 12? 2 6 time 12 ratio. 2 2 time 4 and 2 4 time 8. This is 24. Again you can see the last digit is 4 and here the ones digit is 6. Both are again divisible on 2. So you will cut again on table of 2. 2 is how many times 6? 2 3 times 6 and 2 1 time 2 and 2 2 time 4. This is 3 ratio 12. Now 3 ratio 12. Both are divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. Now you can see the answer is 1 ratio 4. You will stop your answer here because further division is not possible on the same table. Okay. Okay, next question. You can see you have three numbers now, 4 ratio 12 ratio 6. I have to check that on which number these three numbers are divisible. And all these numbers are divisible on 2. So 2 time 4 ratio 2 6 time 12 ratio 2 3 time 6. And now you can see that further division on the same table is not possible, because 2 and 6, these two numbers go on table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, but 3 doesn't come on table of 2. Similarly, 6 ratio 3, these can be simplified on table of 3, but 2 doesn't come on table of 3. It's mean I have to stop my answer here, because there is no more common factors. No more common factor. Further division is not possible, so you will stop your answer here. This is your simplified form. And similarly, in question number 4, 24 ratio 9 ratio 27. Right? So on table of 3 is how many time 24? 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Further division is not possible. There is no more common factor. So you will stop your answer here. And the simplified form is 8 ratio 3 ratio 9. Is it clear? So this was about simplification of ratio.